Hi everyone, this is Allie from Allie's Crafts, and I'm here to do a collaboration with my friend Hillary, I'll link her shop below, but we're going to be doing a collaboration where we combine our two kits. So this is one of her kits, it's called Entwined, and then I'm also going to be using my kit, Mess to Masterpiece. So I've already got a little bit off here, so we are going to be combining these two kits, and we're going to each do a page, and I will leave her link below in the comments, so be sure to go check her video and her store out, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to speed this up and we'll get started. So one of the reasons that we decided to combine these two particular kits for this project is because of some of the artistic elements in both. The pencil that says God's Story, My Story, Our Story in Hillary's kit, and then the paintbrushes, the paint, the messy feel in mine. We thought they went pretty well together artistically, and it actually turns out the messages kind of really spoke to both of us as well. So I'm working in Psalm 119 verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. And what I was kind of like meditating on for this page was that I need to share my story, and that it can kind of be a light to someone else, and God can use my mess to glorify him, and even though I mess up, I can share that with other people and they might not make the same mistakes, so it can kind of be a light to their path as well. So right here, I just wanted to kind of mimic the paint in the kit, and so I used Distress ink on an Illustrated Faith Bible mat and just kind of added some water, and it made this really cool watercolor effect. So just adding that, and then I just hit it with a heat gun just to kind of set the color. So did that in pink and in blue, and I really love how this turned out. It was a nice little background touch. Just needed something with the elements. After I added some of the bits from the kit, I thought I'd seen a little bit more, so I grabbed these vellum hearts. I think they're from Studio Calico a couple years ago, and I've kind of been hoarding them, but I thought it would be a great opportunity to kind of just layer them. Very similar colors to both of the kits and the page, and I thought it would be a really nice touch, and I love the different feel of the layers, especially with the vellum. So after I added the hearts, I just took my Illustrated Faith pen and kind of underlined the verse and highlighted a bit, dated my page, and there is my finished page. I would love to see if you combine these two kits like us, and I'll leave Hillary's link down below in the comments so you can see what she did with both of these kits. Be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos, and thank you so much for stopping by today.